Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Pantone color matching in Adobe Illustrator, full guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Navigate to the window menu in the top toolbar. Select swatches from the drop-down list. In the swatches panel, click on the menu icon in the upper right corner. Choose Open Swatch Library from the menu. Select Color Books from the submenu. Find and click on Pantone plus Solid Coated or any other relevant Pantone library. The Pantone color library will now open in a new panel. Browse through the available Pantone colors. To use a Pantone color, click on it to add it to your swatches panel. If you want to create a new color, select the Color Picker tool from the toolbar. Input the specific Pantone color number if you know it. Click OK to add this color to your document. To apply the Pantone color, select the object you want to color. Now click on the desired Pantone swatch in the Swatches panel. The selected object will change to the chosen Pantone color. To save your document with Pantone colors, go to the File menu. Select Save As and choose your preferred file format. Ensure you have the proper settings for color profiles if exporting for print. Review your work to confirm everything is set correctly. Now you are ready to use Pantone color matching in Adobe Illustrator for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.